Currently 8:22 a.m. 17th of November 2017. Waiting on all this mess to rise above the trees this morning. I'll step out this street, shut this off, where you ain't sitting there just watching me walk across the yard. And see if I can get out far enough to get this mess above these trees. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I'm back on. I just walked out about 40 feet. Out about where I parked my vehicle. I'll get this larger. Look at all that behind it. To the left of it, to the north of it. Strange times. Our days of sitting there watching the normal sunrise long gone. There's more here than we've ever been told is possible. Just a fact. Now our little sun's hanging off. If we can carry it back behind this again or not. It's hard to do. Stupid chemtrails. I'll shut this off and get the picture. This stuff's insane, man. Peace out. Alright, I looked up and seen everything was above the trees and walked back to my porch. So I turned the Frasco back on, see what we see for a minute. This is open sight way infrared, so you'll know that. There's something right there. Maybe a few somethings, it's hard to tell. In chemtrails stowed this all week. If it weren't for that, I could explain everything I'm seeing probably, or most of it. I understand a lot of it. You just can't get headshots a lot of this stuff because it's messy. Stupid chemicals. Friggin' government spread. I don't need to get on that. Hey, mess around, not play this. Whatever they are, folks, I'm trying to present them to you. Ain't from lack of my trying. I say days of the sunrise and sunset and the sun in the sky all day by itself, bullshit. That's gone. Oh, what in the world we come across in that chemtrail? Who would even know? It's there though. I'm gonna blame that on Ricky's stupid camera. It's there, I don't care where. Oh hell, it's everywhere. And this is craziness. Overshot it. It's easy to do. I doubt I've got a whole lot of space on this SD card because I do take a whole lot of footage. I probably need to wrap this up before I lose it. Unreal. These things are on their own. Don't blame this crap on my camera. I'll be the biggest joke of the day on you. This crap's back behind all this poison they sprayed me with this morning. It's every friggin' where around. Mercy. I'm gonna get out of here. I got a cup of coffee over there. It's getting cold as ever. Any of these are the sun to you, more power to you. But a whole lot of things together and scattered. They ain't just all at one of us, but some of them are. That's the part where it's me, all this stuff close together moving. What's gonna do what to you? There's a couple right there. No. Folks, I don't know, I ain't not scaring nobody, but I want you alert. And knowing this, nothing's like we've been told. We weren't told all this. Don't be mad at yourself, don't be mad at me for showing it to you. You'd be wrong. Think that one out, man. I'm trying to get your heads up, it's all I'm about, man. Peace out, love y'all. Time I say I want to get out of here, some other bright thing shows up. I want to show you it's here. Whatever you want to call it. Hell, the scientists won't admit it's here. We need to call it something. Or not. Peace out.